Bitcoin faces sudden drop below 114K. What's next for the market? Over the past 24 hours, the cryptocurrency market has experienced one of its most dramatic shifts in weeks. Bitcoin, BTC, the world's largest cryptocurrency, plunged below $114,000, triggering a wave of liquidations worth over $1.5 billion across major exchanges. The sudden drop left traders shocked, while long-term investors are closely monitoring the next moves. The drop. What happened? According to data from leading exchanges, Bitcoin slipped sharply during Asian trading hours, falling from nearly $118,000 to a low of $113,800. This rapid move caused thousands of leveraged positions to be wiped out, particularly among short-term traders using high leverage.
يشير المحللون إلى عدة أسباب محتملة
Market overheating. Bitcoin had rallied nearly 15% in the last 2 weeks, creating a heavily overbought condition. Profit-taking. After the sharp rally, some investors began locking in profits, leading to downward pressure. Macroeconomic uncertainty. Concerns over global interest rate policies and U.S. inflation data also weighed on risk assets. Quick recovery brings hope. Despite the heavy sell-off, Bitcoin managed to recover quickly, bouncing back to around $113,000 to $113,500. This resilience surprised many traders, as it signaled strong buying interest at lower levels. Market experts emphasize that Bitcoin remains in a bullish long-term structure, with key support zones still intact. The $110,000 to $111,000 range is now seen as a crucial support level, while the next resistance zones lie between $114,000 and $118,000. What analysts are saying. Optimists argue that this pullback was a healthy correction after an overheated rally. If Bitcoin consolidates above $111,000, a retest of $118,000 or even higher is likely. Bearish concerns. Pessimists caution that if Bitcoin fails to hold the $110,000 level, further downside toward $105,000 could follow. Technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index (RSI) show that Bitcoin has cooled from overbought levels, suggesting more room for upward movement in the coming days. Long-term investors see opportunity. For long-term holders, this dip is seen as a buy-the-dip opportunity. Historically, Bitcoin corrections of 5 to 10% within bull cycles have paved the way for even stronger rallies. Institutional investors remain confident in Bitcoin's ability to hold its position as the leading digital asset, especially as global adoption continues to grow. Conclusion: volatility is the name of the game. Bitcoin's sudden drop below $114,000 is a reminder of the extreme volatility that characterizes the cryptocurrency market. While short-term traders face significant risks, long-term investors may view the correction as a healthy reset. The big question remains: will Bitcoin break above $118,000 soon, or are we preparing for another round of volatility? One thing is clear: Bitcoin continues to dominate the headlines and prove why it is still the king of crypto.